Hello and welcome back. Today we are starting a new series on basics of Fusion 360. So in the first lesson we will learn Fusion 360 user interface. So the first thing is data panel. In the data panel you will access your projects and open your designs, and there are some existing samples from Fusion 360 library which we can check. And the next thing is a file pull down menu. If I click on this, then the file pull down menu is where we will create new designs and new drawings, and also 3D print and export. After that we have save, undo and redo option. For the save we can use a shortcut key which is Ctrl+S, and for the undo Ctrl+Z, and for redo Ctrl+Y. And if I go on the right side, here is a user profile. If I click on this, in the user profile drop down we can access our account, profile and preferences. In the preferences we can change our language and other things which we will use later. This is our help pull down menu. This is our notification center, and here is our job status. Either we are working online or offline. And this is our first tab. We can add more tabs like this to create multiple parts at the same time. We can switch between tabs. This is our toolbar, and in the toolbar we can access different design commands. We can see for solids, surfaces, mesh, sheet metal, plastic and other things. And for solid we can see different commands which we will use them while designing. If I click on this arrow we will see more commands. Also we can see multiple commands here which we'll use while designing. And here if I click mouse right button, then I will see more commands which are frequently used, so we can access them quickly by pressing right click. You can control the views like this. Here is our workspace. We can change our workspace. Right now I am in design workspace where I can design any product. After that I have a generative design, a render, animation, simulation, manufacture and drawing. So we can use when we will require these workspaces. This is our browser. The browser will list all objects that are part of design, and also if we have any assembly design, the browser will display several components which is individual objects in your design. Here we can change our units, and these are views: top, front, right and home. And here are our planes. If we go below, here is our navigation toolbar. The navigation toolbar gives us different navigation tools like orbit, zoom, pan and also display settings. In the display setting we can see shaded. For that we can use Ctrl+4, 5 and others. Also we can see environment. We can change like this. And here our comment section. So in the first lesson we learned about the basic interface of the Fusion 360. So in the next video we'll start creating sketches. And if you like the video, hit a like button and subscribe. Thank you.